Direct selling industry field force, we are about 6237373, and active direct sellers are 4383487, primarily because these are the people who actually help the business to grow. Because it is a fact that, a lot of people join the direct selling industry. Not everybody is successful, and some people join and leave. So that is why this year we are also talking about the active direct sellers. The definition of active direct sellers would be a person who has bought the products or sold the products 4 times in a year, which we used to not do, reveal in our previous years. If we look at the women and men, which, the gender-wise split, if you look at 13-14, it was 58.3, men is 41.7. And if you look at the men column, we are seeing that, even if it is by 1% or 2%, the contribution of men direct sellers is increasing, primarily because, this particular industry gives a part-time opportunity, and people can spend their time in doing small businesses along with whatever they are doing, which is their full-time job. Whereas if you look at globally, this is not the trend. Globally, throughout last 50, 60, 70 years, we've always seen that, women always are between 70 to 80%, and men are always between 20, 22. But we've not seen such kind of figures globally. These are figures which are very, very unique to India.